Mrs. Hardy, for my workshop, I would plan to cover these 7 topics. I will first start with why teachers should be digitally literate, because if they are not, their students will not be either. Digital literacy is being able to find information and evaluate its quality, being able to use it as a tool specifically for learning, being able to make instructional presentations with it, and using it for social purposes. The students being taught in this generation are growing up with advanced technology, and it is vital that educators teach them how to be digitally literate so that they can be successful. Next, I will talk about getting teachers connected online. I will get the teachers set up on a media site that allows them to get connected with their colleagues and other teachers, to share ideas for different lessons and teaching tips. Teachers can then get students connected so they can learn how to communicate properly online, which will be beneficial in their future when emailing a potential boss or a colleague of interest. Then I will talk about the importance of teachers being able to communicate with one another. This is especially important when teachers are teaching at the same school in the same grade. This way, they can stay on track together and make sure they are covering the same topics so that students are covering everything they need to be. The next topic will be why creativity should be incorporated into the lesson plans and teaching strategies. Creativity is part of the ISTE standards. As a teacher, it is important that creativity is added into your teaching plans. This means trying new teaching methods and having students try new approaches to solving problems. Creativity leads to innovation and invention. My next topic will be the importance of why teachers should have their lesson plans done prior to class. Teachers are accountable for knowing what they will be doing day by day in the classroom, and their preparedness is what teaches their students how to be prepared and turn in assignments on time. My final 2 topics will be covering 2 of the ISTE standards. I will first talk about how to make custom learning activities that acquire to different students' needs. I will set up a slideshow giving teachers examples of how to customize activities, while using digital tools and sources to give students practice with these tools and sources, because all students learn in different ways. This will help with all the students achieving academically all together, and it's also giving them a chance to get hands-on experience with the digital tools and sources. My final topic I'll be covering is why teachers should have knowledge, work proficiently, and have skills digitally. First off, it looks good for a teacher to have skills with different things, especially nowadays with digital topics. And when they show knowledge in something, the students are going to want to gain that knowledge. So them making slideshows and cool PowerPoints is going to want to get students doing that. It is important you use these skills to collaborate with students so that they are getting the practice they need. You can also use these skills to collaborate with parents to kind of show them what's going on in your classroom and what you are capable of doing. That will conclude my workshop.